Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch FE and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Galaxy Wearable application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Galaxy Wearable application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the Galaxy Watch FE on the device page basically. And on this page, find the watch faces option, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll through the different categories and find the basic category, and in the basic category you look for the watch face called Photos. Once you find it, tap on it. It will be applied and added to your favorites right here. And what we need to do is to customize it. So tap on Customize button. And here we have different styles of the clock. I'm gonna select this one, for example. Then we can tap on Background. And we can add the background. And we have two sources. We have this plus button and a picture source. First, let's tap on this plus button. And you can select Gallery or Camera. Camera option allows you to open the camera app, take a photo and use it as a watch face. And the gallery option basically opens the photo gallery on your phone, and you can browse different photos from your phone or pictures, select something you like and use it as a watch face. I'm gonna use the second option. I'm gonna open the download folder, and here I'm gonna select the watch face, or rather the picture. And you can select one or multiple, depending on what you like. And once you select the pictures, tap on Done. And now we need to crop them because the whole image won't fit on the watch face, so we can zoom in, zoom out, and we can basically center the watch face on the part of the picture we want. And you can also increase the brightness. My bad, I pressed something and it went back, and I'm not sure we can. I think we need to go back, background, gallery, pictures. I'm gonna select the pictures, tap on Done, crop the images. So let's select the image. Okay, select the part of the picture you want. You can now increase or decrease the brightness of the picture. You can also change the exposure, contrast, highlights, and the shadows. And you can do that for the both pictures. So we can zoom out, move the picture, like this. And once you're done adjusting your pictures, tap on Done, like I did before by mistake, and they will start being uploaded to your watch, I believe, because it's still doing something. Okay, once you select the background, we have a preview, how it looks like. Now we can tap on Clock Type and select the type of the clock. Then we can tap on clock color, my bad. You know what, I'm gonna select this one. Clock color. Oh no, we also have clock font. So we can change the font of the clock, the way that the font looks like. Then the clock color. Then complications, so we can basically change the widgets. We have a steps, so let's leave steps here. Next we have the battery. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the battery. And heart rate, sure. And the UV index. Maybe I'm gonna switch it to something like chance of rain. For some reason I can't select the chance of rain. Oh, because I tapped on the save by mistake. This button right here is, I don't know, maybe me and my fingers are just attracted to it, but I keep tapping on it by mistake. Anyway, I'm gonna change it to chance of rain. Then we have the fifth one, leave it at date, and then we can change the color of the complications also. So let's, for example, select this one. And once you're done, then you can tap save to save your watch face. Okay. And now we have our watch face right here, and we can, as you can see, we have two pictures. So we can basically tap on the current watch face to cycle between the pictures we like, or rather we have as a watch face. And once you're done, of course, you can go back and close the app. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.